Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Friday 4th September 2020 and we are doing revision of answer these questions. So question number 1 is who were fighting. As I told you the story few days before that there were Christians and Muslims were fighting. Okay, so question number 2 is why were the people in despair. So why they were in despair? Because they had little food storage, so that this is the reason of their despair. So they were in despair as they had little food storage in the city and they also couldn't get food from the country. Okay, the next question is what would happen if they did not surrender. If they did not surrender, they would die of hunger, because they would certainly be put to death by the Turks, and you know that they had very little food to eat also, so that's why they surrendered. The next question is what would happen if they surrender. If they surrender, they would certainly be put to death by the Turks. Okay students, they were in great problem, so means when they did not surrender they would die of hunger, and if they surrendered they would certainly be put to death by the Turks. So they were in great problem. And the next question is what was the baker doing. As you know that he was preparing some flour to make bread for the next day. And what was the cause of the noise. The cause of the noise was the blows of pickaxe in the earth. He heard the sound of digging under the earth. He listened this sound, and then he warned the king of that time. What thought flashed through his mind? What an idea came to his mind. He thought that Turks were digging a tunnel under the walls into the city. So then with a great haste, with a great hurry, the baker went to warn others. When the general in command of the army was told, he went to the bakery at once to investigate. What did his soldiers do that same night? Late that night, his soldiers opened the city gates and made a surprise attack on the enemy. Okay, now at that night, they opened the city gates and attacked on the enemy. What was the result? The Turks turned back and fled, and thus the city was saved. The Turks went back to their homes and went back to their country, and the city was saved. Who ordered the baker to appear before him? Who ordered the baker to appear before him? King. Emperor ordered the baker to appear before him. What strange wish did the baker make? He wanted to make a crescent-shaped bread, so that those who eat it will remember that victory. So students, I will send the image. If you have missing work, then complete it. Otherwise, learn these all words, these all question answers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.